everyone! Today, I want to tell you about my fun day at the beach. First, my family and I packed a big picnic with sandwiches, fruits, and juice. Yummy! Then, we put on our swimsuits and sunscreen to protect our skin from the sun. Safety first! Next, we all jumped into the car and drove to the beach. I was so excited! When we arrived, I ran to the shore and felt the sand between my toes. It tickled. I built a sandcastle with my bucket and shovel. It was so tall. After playing in the sand, I splashed in the waves with my mom and dad. We laughed a lot. We found seashells and colorful stones on the shore. I collected them in my bucket as treasures. For lunch, we sat on our beach towels and enjoyed our picnic. The sandwiches were delicious. After eating, I flew my kite with my dad. It danced in the sky like a colorful bird. When it was time to go home, I felt sad to leave the beach, but I knew we would come back again soon. That was my awesome day at the beach. I can't wait for our next adventure. Thank you for listening.